guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we're going to be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers, and these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. As always, the link will be down below in the description. All I'm doing though is going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. So we're using Polygel today in this video, and I'm going to go in with some alcohol as my slip solution. And for my Polygel, I'm using the Model 1's Polygel in shade Soft Pink. And this brush is also by Model 1's as well. But all I'm doing is going in and squeezing a small amount into my soft gel full nail cover and then just applying it to the whole nail cover. So you want to make sure that the surface is fully covered, and I just always make sure that my cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nails. So yeah, this method is super easy, especially with like short soft gel full nail covers like this. Soft gel is already pre-etched basically, so you don't have to like etch the inside of the full nail covers. They're just gonna stick and stay secure. I get a lot of questions of people asking me if I pop off the full nail cover after I go in and cure, and I don't. I leave the soft gel full nail covers on after curing. So what you can do to eliminate that time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp is do multiple nails at one time. So I'll tend to go ahead and do maybe like 2 or maybe like all 4 of my fingers, and then I'll go in and cure. But it just depends on how the polygel is. Temperature in your room can also determine if your polygel is like runny or if it's like harder and easier to work with. So it just depends on the type of polygel you have too. This polygel is quite easy to work with, so I did go ahead and do a few nails at once and then I cured. And a full cure is about 2 minutes. Well, I'll say 1 minute and 30 seconds. But if you do your nails individually and then you go in and cure, you don't have to cure for a full minute. You can just go in and flash cure. So like I would say maybe flash cure each nail for like 15 seconds just so it's stuck and, you know, kind of secure, and then go in and do a full 1 minute and 30 seconds. But yeah, all polygels are not created equally though. So some polygels need longer to cure. Some polygels, like if you're using a clear one, cures within like 30 seconds. So it just depends on what brand and what type of polygel you're using. So yeah, just going in and doing all of my nails, but I always cure my thumbs separately and do my thumbs separate because you do have to show your thumb special attention. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a lint-free wipe and some alcohol in that pump bottle, and I'm just wiping down my nails before I begin filing. And my file is an 80/80 grit file from Amazon, and the link to this will be down below. You need an 80/80 grit file in your life. Just go ahead and get it because it's a game changer. It makes like filing so easy, and these soft gel full nail covers are already pre-shaped, so the filing is pretty much already done for you. So I'm just really going in and just kind of getting off any excess polygel that might have squeezed through the sides, and just making my nails super square because I like a really cutthroat square look nail. So yeah, this process or filing is super short, super easy. All right, so I'm gonna wipe all the dust off. If you are actually doing your nails, then you want to make sure that you prep your nails, and at this point you could also go ahead and wash your hands as well. All right, so for today's design, super simple and easy, I'm using this stripe tape that you can purchase from Amazon. They come in like bulks of like 15 different colors. So I'm going in with this black one and some cuticle nippers. I call them cuticle nippers. I don't know what the technical term is. But I'm just doing this like super simple easy design that I saw off of, I think I saw it off of like Pinterest or something. And it looked like she used like black paint, but I'm just gonna use stripe tape because I know I can get it straight. But I was kind of rushing. You can see like I'm kind of rushing at this point because I believe at this point it was like 1:30 in the morning and I was just overdoing nails. I was ready to go to bed, so So I'm using a no wipe top coat, and this is a sample that I got from a company because I thought about selling it in my Etsy shop. And it's actually really good. I really like it. I like never used the sample because I was looking at a whole bunch of other ventures, but you can just go in with any no wipe top coat. And I always use my top coat before I apply my stones. So now we're going to get into bling application. Everything is from Amazon. This bling is from Amazon. These are silver rhinestones. And then this drill point rhinestone nail art pen is also from Amazon. And if you do bling application, you need it. It's an essential because literally, like, look, ... It makes life so much easier. Sorry for my shakiness in the camera. I'm working on it. But yeah, I'm just going in and now I'm applying the stones and then curing. The last and final step, my favorite, we're going in with a cuticle oil. These are my ultra hydrating all natural cuticle oils, and I do have them available for purchase in my Etsy shop. But all I'm doing is going in, and this is the scent rose, and making sure my cuticles are fully hydrated. But here's the final design. It's a really simple and easy design, you know, for the girls that like a little short look but they want a little extra oomph to their nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.